Just a quick video here, how to create a pie chart for 3/4. So the way you do it is you come over here, you type 3, and you type 1. Highlight it, then just go to Insert, and here are pie charts here under Charts, and let's just do a traditional pie chart here. And we have our 3/4. Here's 1/4 in orange and then 3/4 in the blue. And you can delete the title or change it if you like. Same for the legend here. These buttons here give you some control over things, and if you want to really get into changing it here, double click, and on the right there'll be a bunch of options for adding numbers and changing the colors and so on. So if you want to copy it in Word, you could just click here and hit Ctrl C for copy. It's on your clipboard now, and you could drop this into Word, and that gives you some options. You can format it now that it's in Word. If you just want an image of it to put in another application, just copy into another application. In Windows, you can use the Snipping Tool, Windows Shift S, and that lets you just grab it here. And that's on my clipboard. That's an image. I can put that in any other application. For example, this drawing program. And then I can write directly on it and manipulate it in whatever program I'm using here. Anyway, that's how you create a pie chart for 3/4 in Microsoft Excel. It's Dr. B. Thanks for watching.